That is the bus, has a turbo. So this is a DW201, it's new as a demonstration in January 2007, which was the time it was never as in service, as is probably unreviewed, as probably has been showcased. I'm not sure if there was a picture of it on research, as this was new in January 2007 as a demo, and as 2 years later, registration into LJ09KRO in the early 2009 at the same time as number DW201 with Arriva London, and as it entered in service, started with 141, and later on Clapton Garage have 38 into 2014 gone to Grays for 66 double-decker conversation, and following all the routes have appeared until now, from since January 2025 went to EC